Can't you read, you dope? Them's nylons.
Yeah, you missed us.
Let's not get nosy, Bob. Hello, Mayor.
Yes, this is the mayor.
You gotta do something about these rats.
Yeah, you gotta do something about these rats.
Well, call the health department. No, I'm the mayor, not a rat catcher.
Rats are everywhere.
Don't bother me with details. I'm a busy man.
I'm a taxpayer and I want action.
Mayor, get rid of these rats. Rat.
Who's a rat? Well, catch him yourself. Yes. No way. You better get me out of here.
My house is full of rats.
Call the fire department. Call the health department. Call anybody, but stop calling me. Rats, rats! The town's full of rats, and what can I do about it?
Listen, mister, what you need is a Pied Piper.
Yeah, that's it. A Pied Piper. Woo, 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 woo. Who said that?
I did. Relax, Professor. I'm the Pied Piper.
Can you get rid of rats?
For a small financial reimbursement, I'll run every rat out of this town.
That's a deal, my friend. That's a deal.
Hey, look, fellas, I'm dancing.
Solid, Jackson. That guy's from Basin Street.
Nice work, my boy, nice work. And here's your reward. I'm a busy man. Good day, square.
Peanuts. That's humiliating. I won't wait for peanuts. You chiseler. You cheap crook. You deadbeat. You. Who's got a dictionary? Happens to me every time. Well, there's no alternative. Here goes the kids.
Love came but once to me. All others fled. A dream of love. Reel into my head.
Everybody's gone. Nobody loves me. I'm all alone.
Oh, no, you ain't. You still got us rats.